आचार्य शंकराचार्य in उपदेश सहस्त्री प्रोज 109 यद एवं भगवान कूटस्थ नित्यावगति आत्मज्योति स्वरूपे स्वयं सिद्धा आत्मनि प्रमाण निरपेक्षत्वात् ततो अन्यत अचेतनम संघत कारित्वात् paraartham. Disciple said, Sir, if this is so, independent of evidences regarding itself, eternal and changeless knowledge, which is the consciousness of the self, is surely self-evident and all things different from it, and therefore non-conscious have an existence only for the sake of the self, as they combine to act for one another, in order that the events of the universe may continue uninterruptedly. येन स सुख दुख मोह प्रत्ययाव गतिरूपेण परार्थ तेनैव स्वरूपेण अनात्मना अस्तित्वं न अन्येन रूपांतरेण अतो नास्तित्वमेव परमार्थतः. The knowledge of the mental modifications giving rise to pleasure, pain and delusions is only the non-self serving the purpose of another, that is consciousness, the self. Knowledge is the substratum of mental modifications by which they are none or illumined. यथा हि लोके रज सर्पु मरीच उदिकादि नाम तद्वगति व्यतिरेकेन अभावो दृष्ट एवं जागृत स्वप्न द्वैत भावस्यापि तद्वगति व्यतिरेकेन अभावो युक्त. It is the same knowledge as nothing else has an existence. The non-self has no existence independent of knowledge, unlike that of Prakriti, the material cause of the universe, as spoken in the Sankhya philosophy. Just as a rope, a snake, the water in a mirage, and such other things are found to be non-existent, except only the knowledge by which they are none, so the duality experienced during the waking and dream has reasonably no existence except the knowledge by which it is none. ये मे परमार्थ भगवान अवगते आत्मज्योतिष निरंतरी भावात् कूटस्थ नित्यता अद्वैत भावस्य सर्व प्रत्यय भेदेषु अव्यभिचारात्. So, having a continuous existence, pure consciousness, the self, is eternal and immutable and never ceasing to exist in any mental modification. It is one without a second in all experiences, such as jar consciousness, cloth consciousness, etc. Consciousness persists and is therefore real, while jar, cloth, etc. do not persist and so are unreal. Pratyay bhedastu avgatim vyabhicharanti. The modifications themselves cease to exist. The self continues to do so. यथा स्वप्ने नील पितादेकार भेद रूपा प्रत्यया तब अवगतिम व्यभिचरंत परमार्थो न संतिति उपचन्ते एवं जागृत्यपि नील पितादि प्रत्यय भेदा तामेव अवगतिम व्यभिचरंत असत्य रूपा भवितुम अर्हन्ति. Just as in dream, the mental modifications appearing to be blue, yellow, etc. are said to be really non-existent, as they cease to exist, while the knowledge by which they are none has an uninterrupted continuous existence. So in the waking state also, they are reasonably really non-existent, as they cease to exist, while the very same knowledge continues to do so. तस्याश्च अवगते अन्य अवगंता नास्ति इति न स्वयं स्वरूपेण स्वयं उपादातु हातुं वा शक्यते अन्यस्य च अभावात्. The knowledge that is the self has no other knower, as it is self-evident, cannot be accepted or rejected by itself, as there is nothing except myself. My aim is fulfilled by your grace. Prose 110111 Tadaiveti. Teacher said, it is exactly so. ऐसा अविद्या यन निमित्त संसारो जागृत स्वप्न लक्षणा. It is ignorance due to which the transmigratory existence consisting of waking and dream is experienced. Tasya avidyaya vidya nivartika. It is knowledge that brings this ignorance to an end. Ityevam tum avyam prapnosi. You have thus attained fearlessness. Natah param jagrat swapna dukkham anubhavasyasi. Sansara dukkhan mukto asid. You will never again feel pain in waking or in dream. You are liberated from the misery of this transmigratory existence. Om iti, disciple said, yes sir.